So I have a 1999 Mustang GT and I'm looking to replace the Motorcraft OEM IAC. And unfortunately they're discontinued. You can get aftermarket IACs. You could get a Hitachi, which what I've heard is the OEM supplier for IACs. But one thing I was curious about is the 02 to 04 IAC compatible with the 99 to 01? And based off all the parts sites such as LMR or American Muscle, they're not compatible. But I did some research, and what I found out is one difference is on the 99 to 01. This air valve here is for startup, whereas the newer IAC doesn't have that because the PCM commands IAC to add a little bit of air for startup. So I'm going to mount the 02 to 04 on my 99 and see if it starts okay and if it functions just fine. Another difference I've noticed is the height of the IAC is much shorter on the 02 to 04, but the plugs are the same. Let's go ahead and show you. It's hard to do it one-handed. Yep, clicks, goes right on. So I'll bolt that up and then we'll see if it works or not.